What's up, friends? Welcome back to the Deal Finder. And today I went through Amazon. I pulled the best prices, the biggest discounts, and all the best deals that are actually worth your money right now. No fluff, no junk, just real Amazon steals that you do not want to miss out on. Starting the video off from KitchenAid, we have their cordless hand blender. The battery is included, and this is a limited time deal. The deal ends in about 5 to 6 hours from the time I post this video. The only color available at this price point is the matte black, and you can grab it now for $79.99, and this blender is complete cordless. And moving on to the Govee, we do have their smart LED light bars. Now this works great with Alexa and Google, and their app is fantastic. This deal is selling fast, already 76% claimed. Great price at $29.99. Also on sale, the very popular Sony, the XM5. These are noise canceling headphones. We have multiple colors available at this price point. I know the price may seem a little bit expensive, but look at the top right corner of the image. It also includes noise canceling earbuds as well. It's a package deal for $248. Now, even though it's winter time, we still have a great deal on a string trimmer. This is from Eagle Power. It's their 15-inch string trimmer. You get the 2.5 battery, you get the charger. They are taking $50 off the price, bringing it down to $149 even. Not only is it back in stock, we have the Legos icons. We have the Back to the Future time machine. Excellent price here. You don't often see Legos discounted this much. Now this one is pretty awesome. The DeLorean down to $166.97. What a great buy. And last minute shopping, in front of us, we have an excellent discount, 50% off on the Wilson NBA Series basketball. Official size here, it's a size 7, 29.5 inches. Great price, only $7.99. Next up from Ninja, we have their very popular air fryer, the Crispy. It's a 4-in-1 portable system. Now you do get a 4-quart and a 6-cup glass container. Yes, it's a little bit more money than the one they sell at Costco, but here on Amazon, we have a few more color options to choose from, $139 even. And check out this fantastic deal from DJI. We have their Osmo Action 4, their standard combo here. Now this is the lowest price in 30 days. Excellent price, and awesome camera too. $209 even. Another awesome deal, this time from Yamaha. We have their powered studio monitor speakers, and this is a pair, so you get 2 of them. So these are the very popular HS5. When it comes to studio monitor speakers, these speakers specifically are awesome. Now it says 12% off, but it's actually more like 20% off. These are $299.98. How do I know this? Because if I scroll down, I have a look at the price history charts for the past year. We can see the speaker's been $400 for pretty much the entire year. A couple of times it dropped, so $299, awesome price. And it's that time of the video, friends. Our new giveaway, the NuWave Induction Hot Walk, a 4-quart capacity, 9-in-1 functions. The original price here at Costco, $129.99. It's down on clearance, down to $29.97. Amazing hot walk. Now it does come with that 14-inch carbon steel walk. That's awesome. Now keep in mind, friends, if you do want to enter this giveaway, it's absolutely free to enter. All you're going to do is subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and drop us a comment below. Click the link in the comment section or click the link in the description box, and then just follow the directions from there. And look what I found here from JBL. We have their TuneFlex. Now these noise canceling earbuds are awesome, but the only color option available left at this price point is the blue at $39.95. Amazing discount. Another amazing price on a Lego set, we have the Super Mario Piranha. They actually had this at Costco last year. Look at the savings here, 40% off. Awesome buy here. Definitely grab this, $35.99. Amazing deal. We also have the Garmin Forerunner, their smartwatch with a beautiful AMOLED display. Great savings here, 20% off. That's a $50 savings. Excellent deal. And a lot of deals in today's video, they're going to come before Christmas, and some of them may come before Hanukkah's over. This one's going for $199.99. And set these up next to the TV. We got the Govee light bars. These are awesome, 15 inches in height. Now it does say it's suitable for 45 up to 70-inch TVs, but you can go higher, you can go lower. Still looks awesome. Works with Google Alexa, Google and Alexa, excuse me. And the app is awesome. We got the white. We also got the black. $38.99. And now for our little ones, if anyone grabbed those wooden train sets for the holidays for Christmas as a gift, grab this as well from Melissa and Doug. These are the magnetic train cars. It comes in an 8-piece set, so you get 8 cars. Awesome price, $11.33. And look what I found also from DJI. We have their Osmo Pocket 4. Now this camera, the price was super inflated, ridiculous from inflation. $900, and now look at it crashing down to $522. Now if you need it, go ahead and grab it. If not, wait till the Pocket 4 comes out. We also have the Mac Mini on sale, their desktop computer. This is the 2024 model with the M4 chip in it. Has a 10-core GPU, a 10-core CPU, 256 gigs solid-state hard drive, 16 gigs of RAM, and today, $120 off the price, $479 even. And check out what we have here from Breville. Now this air fryer is awesome. Their Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro has convection oven. It's stainless steel, and this one's selling pretty fast. $100 off the price, down to $299.95. Awesome air fryer. A limited time deal on an inflatable mattress. This one's from Sealy, the Always Air. Now this is a queen size bed, queen size mattress. It's 18 inches in height. This is an awesome bed. Now it's also pretty cool because it's a built-in comfort pump. All you gotta do is plug it in, turn on the pump, and you are good to go. You can even adjust the firmness. $49.99, amazing deal. And check out this pretty amazing deal also from DJI. We have their Mic Mini. It's a 2-person vlog system, and look at the price. 50% savings, the lowest price in 30 days, only $59 even. Amazing. And look at this, another great find, this time from Cuisinart. We have their 8-inch Chef's Classic skillet here. Now this is stainless steel. If you don't know how to cook with stainless steel, this is a great skillet to learn on, and a great buy too. It's not too hard on the wallet. It's only $15.99. And now for our little ones at home, our little kids nursery, we got the white noise machine from DreamEgg. A lot of you do know this brand, very popular. This one's awesome, and it ends in about 6 hours. So if you do want to grab it now, 43% off. It's only $29.99. Amazing price, amazing gift. Grab it. Another limited time deal, this time on a bird feeder. Now it does have a camera with AI, which is pretty cool. Has solar power, and this is a limited time deal, 40% off. But look at this, we also have a nice coupon code we can apply. Just click this coupon code right here, and that will get the price down to $29.50. Over the past couple of years, outdoor permanent lights have gotten very popular. Now these from Eufy are also great. This is a reputable brand. They're owned by Anker, 100 feet in length, 60 triple LED lights. Now look at this limited time deal, $186, but we also have a coupon code we can apply. Click this coupon code, and that will get the price down to $129.50. Another 50% savings on a 16-pound magnetic pickup tool. This one extends from 7 inches to 30 inches. If you have anybody who likes to work on cars, this is a great gift. Great stocking stuffer. Now 50% savings. If I scroll down, look at my charts, I can see the average price of this unit is $11. Now it's down to $5.29. Excellent buy. And moving on, we have the Samsung P9. This is their Express Micro SD card. Now check out this price, a limited time deal, 256 gig on the Micro SD card, $32.99. Next up from Logitech, a great mouse here, the M170. This mouse works awesome. Long battery life, which is great. 12-month battery life. We have a coupon price. Click this coupon here. That's going to get the price down to $7.99. Another great stocking stuffer. And if you're looking for joggers, check out this deal from Hanes. We have their EcoSmart. These are their fleece joggers. And look at the price here, $7.18. We have 3 of them at that price point. Great price. Small, medium, large, all the way up to 3XL, $7.18. Next up from Stanley, we have their classic bottle opener. Now this is their beer stein. It's 24 ounce in size. Now the price is even better, a 40% savings today. Amazing price. How do we know? I just scroll down, have a look at the price history. I can see it's been $30 pretty much the entire year, and now it's down to $18. Amazing price. And now from Timex, we have their Expedition. This is their 40mm men's analog watch, and this watch is awesome. The lowest price in 30 days. What a great buy for $23. Awesome, awesome buy. Nice stocking stuffer, not too expensive, $23. And this one I do like from Apple. We have their AirPods. I'm not a big fan of Bluetooth devices. Now this is great. It's wired headphones here, good quality headphones, USB-C, and look at the price. What are you going to complain about? $10? Sign me up. Another limited time deal, also 50% off. We're looking at the Nespresso maker here, and this one is made by Breville, and I love the Breville brand. Awesome brand. Now this is for the machine only. That's okay. It's an amazing price. $79.99 limited time deal. And here we are back with another Eufy product. We do have their security cameras, their S3000. Now this one does come with expandable local storage up to 16 terabytes, no monthly fees, and look at this price. 56% off, a limited time deal, down to $199.98. The number one bestseller from GoPro, we're looking at the Hero 13 Black Edition. It's waterproof, it's another action camera, and this one's awesome, 27 megapixels, the number one bestseller. They're taking $110 off the price, bringing it down to $319 even. And let's have a quick look at this deal from Greenworks. This is their 40-volt snowblower here, single stage. Now this is for the tool only. If you already own the 40-volt lineups and you have 40-volt batteries at your house, this is an excellent buy. $215.99 for the snowblower. Awesome deal. Now these are the type of deals we wanted on Black Friday, but no worries, you always have my channel to come look at. Now we have the Breville Smart Grinder Pro. It's an 18-ounce coffee bean capacity. Now this coffee grinder is awesome, 20% savings, which is $40 off the price. Not the greatest discount, and this does go on sale quite often, but still a great price at $159. And look at this, stop spending your hard-working money at Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. You can grab this Stanley travel mug, has an integrated French press on it, 16 ounces in size. Now this coffee is going to taste better than Starbucks. It's 40% savings, $21.60. You can make coffee in 5 minutes. And look at these bad boys. We got the ultimate dad shoes here. We got the Reeboks, the lowest price in 30 days, 50% savings, awesome price at $29.99. Not too much inventory left on these. Grab them before they go. Now we do have other color options as well, so keep that in mind, friends. Another 50% off, this time on DeWalt's portable 6-gallon vacuum. Now look at this deal. It's a 6-gallon wet and dry shop vacuum. It's wall mounted, amazing price, has 5 horsepower, down to $99.99. Amazing buy. And we still have the AirPods Pro 3 on sale. Now these are their wireless earbuds. They have the active noise cancellation, the live translation, the heart rate sensing, and also the hearing aid feature. They're giving us a $40 discount, bringing the price down to $209.99. And if you're looking for a small compact charging station, check out this one from Anker. It's a 20 watt, it's an 8-in-1, has USB-C in it. It's awesome, it's small, it's compact, and it's very thin, less than an inch thin. And it's also a limited time deal, awesome price for only $19.99. If you know, you know, and I definitely go through these like hotcakes. 25 pieces, these are titanium oscillating blades, the lowest price in 30 days for only $20.99. Another lowest price in 30 days. This time we have the Wacky Metal Rooster. This one's pretty cool. You can use it for the indoor or outdoor here. This one's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Now this is a 31% savings. Not bad at all. $18.91. And it stands about 18 inches in height. Another great deal on headphones. This one's from Skull Candy. We have their Crusher. These wireless over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones are pretty sweet, and this deal is selling pretty quickly. 46% savings, down to $129.99. Another great idea for a stocking stuffer. If you're always losing your keys, your bags, or anything else, we got the Bluetooth tracker by Tile. This is a great deal, limited time deal, only $14.99. And next up, I do have one more for you. This one's from Govee. They're in visual. It's their TV LED blacklight. Now, this one's pretty cool. Watch a couple of YouTube videos on this one before you buy it. This is definitely fun for movie night, but it's definitely a splurge as well. 46% saving is pretty accurate, but the only thing with this Govee product in front of us, this one goes up and down a lot in price, and it pretty much is always $74, $75, but it goes up and down like a roller coaster. 1 minute it's $75, next minute it's $140. So it goes up and down a lot. You just have to catch it at the right moment. $74.99 is a great buy, but it's not like some unbelievable deal. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget the link for our giveaway will be in the comments section. Click that link to enter the giveaway, and it's absolutely free to enter. If you enjoyed today's video, friends, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, support the channel, enter the giveaway. It's absolutely free. Tomorrow, we're going to have a new Costco video, so stay tuned for that. If you want me to cover last-minute shopping gifts here on Amazon, drop us a comment below. If not, I'll see you tomorrow with a new Costco video, friends. Peace and good night.